One somatic technique for controlling anxiety and stress is biofeedback. This involves information about changes in physiological variables, and the patient watches a minor monitor displaying changes in readings of a variable associated with somatic anxiety and tries to lower the reading by distracting their attention away from the cause of the anxiety. And other examples of this are breathing techniques and centering. Imagery is a cognitive technique which can be used for controlling anxiety and stress, and it involves the formation of mental pictures of successful performances, and it can be used in a variety of ways to either create the expected experience of a new situation or recall the feelings of a past situation, and it can be internal or external.